Hello everyone, welcome in Cool IT Help. In this video tutorial, we will see the Gradle installation on Windows 10 and I am going to install version 5.6.3. So guys, let's get started. This is very simple. Guys, go to the description and you will get a link. So just copy that link and open your favorite browser. And here in the address bar, just paste that link. This is the direct download link. You don't need to worry about anything. So once you hit the enter here, so a zip file will start downloading. And you will see this page. Thank you for downloading Gradle. In case if downloading not started, then you guys have to click on this direct link for the download. Right now the downloading is started and we are waiting for the completion of this download. Once the downloading is finished, we will copy this zip file and we will go inside the C drive, and there we will create one folder with the name Gradle, and then we will put this file inside that folder. I will show you in the next step. Okay, file is downloaded completely, and now I will copy this file from this place and I will put this file in a particular folder for the backup. Then I will copy this file in the C drive Gradle folder. So we have to create the Gradle folder here. So go inside the C drive, do right click, choose the new and create this folder Gradle here and copy that zip file here. At this place we will unzip the content of that zip file. Content copied. Now I will unzip this file. File unzipping is done, and now you will see this folder, and inside this folder you will see all these files. And guys, we have to go inside the bin folder. Okay, we are going to use this path inside the environment variable. Now we will set the environment variable. So go to the PC, do the right click, click on the properties, and here in this window click on this advanced system settings. And this window will appear. So on this window, just come down in the advanced tab, click here on this environment variables button, and this window will appear. Here we have user variable and system variables. So come inside the system variables and look for the variable path. Just select this item, click on this edit button, and all the things will open in edit mode. Go back here, just copy the path up to bin folder. Come back here and we have to add one more row here. So we will click on the new button and I will paste the path here. Okay, and now click on this OK button to save. Okay, it is saved, and we will check here the path is saved successfully. Now press the OK and close the rest of the windows, and we are ready to go. Now we will check the installation is done successfully or not. So open the command prompt. On this command prompt we have to type one simple command, Gradle space -v, and hit enter. It will take 4 to 5 seconds, and it will display the welcome content like welcome to Gradle 5.6.3, and here are the highlights of the release, and this data will be displayed on the console. That means your Gradle installation is successful. Now you guys can proceed with the Gradle build with the help of Gradle commands. I hope you found this video useful. Guys, please like this video and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so you will get the latest video updates on time. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.